Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the voice of C programming by exploring a simple yet fundamental concept through a specific example. So whether you are a computer beginner or looking to refresh your knowledge, this video is for you. So let's get started. Um, C is a powerful general purpose programming language. It's widely used for system and application software, game development, and more. One of the reasons for its popularity is its efficiency and control over system resource. Today we will looking at a basic C program to understand how to work with functions and handle output. So let's look at a simple C program decided to output a single character to the terminal. This program is a great starting point to discuss several key concepts in C, including function, the way system call, and main function structure. First, let's break down the code line by line. The first line includes the header file for the Unix standard API. It is necessary for using the write function which send the output to a file descriptor. So next we declare a function ft butcher that take a single character as an argument. The declaration is a promise that we will define the function later, telling the compiler what the function look like. So the definition of ft butcher follows is use the write function to output the character pass itself. So the first argument here of the write is 1, which represents the file descriptor for standard output, and the second argument is a pointer to our character, and the first argument is numbers of bytes to write, which is 1 for single character. So we so here we call ft butcher with C is an argument to output the character C. The program then returns 0, indicating successful execution. Compiling and running the programming. Now let's compile and run our programs. So actually you need to install C compiler like GCC. So if you don't have if you haven't installed the Visual Studio Code, and you have to open the terminal or command prompt to navigate to your program directory and type the command just like gcc -0, and then your program name, and then your program file name, and then later you if you want to run your program, you can run it with this command, right? Okay, so now let's start to run the program. So we set the breakpoint at this line first. Okay, so and then we get into and then pass, and you can see here, you should see the character C print out on your screen. Okay, so that's it. So you just write a simple C programming that output a character. This example teaches us how to create a function, include header file, and use the file system call to produce outputs. It's a simple step to the vast world of C programming, and understand this basic crucial. This basic is crucial for your journey ahead. Okay, So remember, the practice is is to become proficiency in C and any programming language. Try modify this program to output different characters or strings of characters. So experiment and have fun with it. So thank you for your watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming tutorial. Okay, happy cooking and see you in the next video. Bye bye.